Hi guys, very good afternoon to you. The time now is 5 p.m. here in Malaysia, and today we are going to talk about the Bitcoin price update. Bitcoin price drop again. What should we do? And today we are going to talk about the challenges that we are going to face and what are the areas that we are supposed to look out for Bitcoin price action. So without further ado, let's head on to the chart and check out what is going to be the movement looks like. This is the Bitcoin chart on the 4-hour time frame. But before that, let's move on to the day chart first. From the day chart itself, what we are currently looking right here, the movement are still inside and within this descending channel. It has been having a great pump. This was on 28th May, which is on Sunday, which is like a few days ago. Now, for the past few days, the past 4 days, literally, which is on Sunday, it made a great pump all the way until this resistance line here at this level at 28,353, and immediately it has been rejected in this area and go back down all the way here. And just now, a while ago, I think like a few hours back, the 2 hours ago, let us move on to the slightly smaller time frame. Let's look at 1 hour time frame. So this is the 1 hour time frame. Now what happened here is that, can you see that the price has been hovering around on top of this area right here? This is the support that is supporting the lines. But unfortunately, it has been broke down like 4 hours ago, five hours ago, sorry. So since 5 hours ago, Bitcoin has made a tremendous drop. Boom. Okay, then here it goes. It has reached to this area to play, but unfortunately, even this support at 27,169 did not able to sustain it, and eventually it went down again. But however, it doesn't really go deep down yet, and it makes somewhat like a recovery, a very small recovery to the upside, and it managed to go until here. But unfortunately, you can see that for the past 4 hours, none of this hourly candle, this is a 1 hour chart, none of this hourly candle closes above this support line. So with that being said, guys, the possibility of going down on an immediate time frame is going to be very, very high. Now, can you see that this recent hourly candle is trying to break down to below, and there is no signs or support or any volumes that is indicating that it might make another rebound anytime soon. So we are going to expect something like this. Let's move on to a slightly bigger time frame. If we are looking on a daily chart instead, what is going to be my anticipation? Okay, so as I always mention that we are not there to predict the price. Okay, none of us should be predicting the price, because like as a trader we should not predict the price, but however we can anticipate what are we going to do should the price move to a certain stage or a certain area. So it is important for us to monitor the critical areas when the Bitcoin price or any coin price, for instance, to what we can do when it reaches to that area. So from a daily time frame, what I can see right here, I am anticipating a move something like this, and it might make a rebound from here. It might stays for a little while and going back up again, or maybe go back down here. Now, the reason why I say that, if you are trying to zoom out a little bit, and if I may extend this line a little, you can see that the movement in within this descending channel is it's highly possible that the movement is moving in this within this channel. Can you see that? So some rejection you might going to expect in this yellow descending line, this one, and also this line as well. Okay, and especially here, maybe after a few more days, and when it moves out from this, there is another line that every one of us should actually pay attention to as well, which is this yellow line that has been formed a couple of months ago. Okay, so if we are going to zoom out a little bit, where does this line comes about? this ascending yellow line has actually been formed a couple of months back from the inverted head and shoulder. If you can see that, this is the shoulder, this is the head, this is another shoulder right here. And of course, it has been broke up above it, and it has been making us a couple of retests on this line. So it kind of like make this line a very, very strong support. Okay, it's changing this resistance. You see that it tried to break it for a couple of times. It doesn't manage to break up through until this here. It broke up and it go back up again and come back down, making sure and confirm that this has become ever since a support instead of a resistance. So I would say that after, if let's say Bitcoin managed to break out from this descending channel, another line that we should actually pay attention to, it is this yellow color ascending trend line right here. So another possibility that it might actually happens, it might actually go something like this. If this is a thing for me, okay, it will go down until here, depending on whether this support line managed to hold it. If not, it might actually go down all the way until here as well. So this is going to be another line of very, very strong support. There is one support line right here in the blue color line, and also this descending yellow color trend line. So assuming the very worst case, if it move all the way until here, then it make a rebound to here, then lower down a bit or higher up. Okay, so if this is going to happen, I'm going to give you two scenarios right here. One is the going down projection. This going down projection, I'm going to say that, let me see. Okay, so if the breakout is going to happen, from here anytime soon, then we are going to expect that this level of 21,628, if this both of this support line are not able to hold and the price drop all the way back down here. Of course, it's not going to happen anytime soon, but there is a possibility of this might happen. But of course, on the upside, okay, if let's say it make another break up to the upside, let's say I will just assume that this is going to play out, and the movement on the upside, they have a few possibility depending on the point where it's going to make a rebound. But if let's say this actually happens to here, to this point, which is at this particular line or joint here, and our next price expectation is going to be on 29,760. That if they make this one reversal move, which is here, let me just show you very quickly, which is here right now, make a rebound to here. Oops. All right, so roughly about that, sorry. So when you make a rebound to here, my next expectation is going to be here. But of course, right now, what I can see at this particular moment of time, this is very unlikely it's going to happen anytime soon. But in fact, the moving down or the breakdown from this descending channel is might going to happen. But on a very, very immediate time frame, what we can see right here, let's move on to the slightly smaller time frame on 4 hours. You can see that all this price are not able to close above this blue color line. So I am going to expect that this price movement might move down, and this is going to be the immediate time frame that we should take up and also pay attention to. So the price here has been moving below this line, so I think it might actually move around this range. Okay, so these two areas are the two lines that we should pay attention to right now, which is the 27,168, which is apparently at this current moment of time is the resistance that Bitcoin needs to break up upon in order for it to continue with the bullish momentum. But however, if this line make a retest and bounce down, the next level that we all should pay attention to, it is at the 26,571. So these are the two closest or immediate time frame or areas or critical areas that I would like to call it, that we all should pay close attention to. So whenever the price reaches to these two lines right here, if you are having a open or running orders or open positions, you might want to consider to take some partial profits when it reaches there. But however, if you are not having any position right at this moment of time, you are going to see something like this. So this is again not a financial advice, but this is what I will do if I were you. Okay. What I will do from here is that looking at the all the prices for the couple of hours ago, 4 hours practically, I am expecting it to go down first. So I am eyeing for a short position from here because the risk and reward ratio is really, really nice. So this is what I will do. But of course, again, this is not a financial advice. So please do your own research, but pay very close attention to the two levels that I mentioned just now, 6,571 and also the 27,168. So these are the areas or the critical areas that everyone should pay attention to. All right. So hi guys. Thank you very much for dropping by. I can't really see your name right here. For those of you um, who are using StreamYard for the very first time, you need to give what you call that StreamYard to or let StreamYard to allow them to display your name. If not, I will be only seeing your name like this. Yo, bro. Until I finish the session, then only I can see your name. Hi. Anyway, thank you very much for dropping by. And for those of you who are watching this live, hi, a very good evening to you. The time now is 5 and 12 p.m. right here in Malaysia. And for those of you who are watching this on a replay, please again pay very close attention to those critical areas that I mentioned just now. And also for those of you who haven't started trading yet, you would like to give it a try, you can sign up for the Bybit account for free. And now you can even grab up to like 30,000 worth of bonuses if you meet the deposit criteria. Okay, so sign up for your new Bybit account. The link is within this description area. And for those of you who are watching this on YouTube, this channel, this particular live video has been broadcasted into 3 different platforms on my LinkedIn page, on the Crypto Lab YouTube channel, and also the Crypto Lab Facebook group. For those of you who are watching this on YouTube channel, please support this channel by subscribing to it, and also please click on the notification button so that you don't miss out anything important. Okay, so thank you very much again for watching this, and of course I'm going to see you in the next live session. Shall I find out any special movement, that I will probably give you guys an update. Okay, so for those of you who would like to just kick started, you can just click on the link to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check out the link. There's another link where you can visit the web page of this Crypto Lab, or what we offer as the Meta Trading Strategy course, where it is going to be a life-changing crypto trading course that is going to change life. So check out the description area, click on the link, and visit the web page just for more information about this Meta Trading Strategy course. Okay, thank you very much for those of you who are watching, and also I'm going to see you in the next live session. Bye.